Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Gifty Paradise. I am your hair extension expert, and on this channel, I am here to achieve the look that you have always envisioned. In this video, we're going to be doing a curling tutorial on this blonde, extremely layered cut wig that I have going on, and then I'm going to be doing an install on myself. This will show you guys how it looks and how you can do different styles on one wig. Let's get into this video. When it comes to curling hair, don't just start anywhere and attempt to curl the hair. Like right now, I have no direction in what I'm doing. I am simply just curling the hair. I started up from the top, and that's a no, 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 no. Anytime you're going to be doing any styling, especially on wigs, you need to take clips. You need to part the hair in half and start at the bottom and work your way up. Start, let's say, like 3 tracks deep, and then you work your way up to the top of the hair. But don't start at the top or in the middle or just, anywhere, and then you start curling. We don't want to do that. So that's the very first step with curling. Always start at the bottom, split the hair in half, and then use the clip to put the rest of the hair away. Another tip. You want to use heat protectant, spray the entire hair with heat protectant and a little light holding spray to keep the curls together. That's number 2. Number 3, you want to use a curling wand that is going to be easy for you to hold and turn over. There are curling barrels, there are curling wands, there are different kind of curlers. This is the one I'm using. I'm using a 1.5-inch curling barrel, not a wand, because the barrel is the big one that has like that little mouthpiece compared to the wand that is just straight. And we're gonna go through with the curling now. This color is so beautiful. It's perfect for black girls, caramel girls, dark skinned girls trying to try blonde. I will recommend this color so much. This was actually a natural 1B wig that I turned to be like this ash blonde with a lot of dimension into it. Love it. To curl, I pick up each hair, put in the barrel, spin the barrel around, and then I drop it down low. I have a detailed step-by-step curling tutorial on this channel. I will link it in the description. This is just showing you guys how I curl my hair. It takes me about literally probably 10 minutes and I'll be done to do my own hair. But this is a beautiful color. The wig was originally 18 inches, y'all. I not cut this hair, like I have cut through this hair so much. But this is me. I am Gifty. I'm your instructor. And we're just going to put this wig on myself. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. Just popped it on. I put the stocking on. But I'm not really putting the stocking on just so I have braids in the back of my hair. That's why I have my stockings on. This is how the wig looks right on my head. Nothing is done. It's not glued down. Basically, nothing is done. I'm looking behind the camera because that's where the mirror is. But y'all, is it giving? Do you like it? This is a very beautiful blonde color. Like, I was feeling myself. I wanted to go outside. I did go outside. So this wig can be worn in the middle part. And if you want a side part, literally just tilt it and you have a side part. That's all you do. It is a closure wig from gifty.org. It was originally 18 inches, but I've cut it down to like a 14-inch now with heavy layered bangs and heavy layered throughout the entire hair. It was originally 18. Now it is at least a 16-inch. It is a closure HD wig from gifty.org, and it's giving me body yada 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 yada. If you want this exact wig, you can get it at gifty.org. It can be placed in the middle part simply by positioning the hair, or it can be placed into a side part. So I'm gonna begin by using the glue that I use on my clients, the same method, just adding a really, really thin layer close to my hairline, but mostly on my forehead. I add a really thin layer because I'm going to take this off, and I don't want any struggles or anything like that when I'm ready to take it off. Also, glue, I don't get why people use 10,000 layers of glue regardless on themselves or on clients. You don't need that much. There's no way possible that you need 5 layers of glue on your skin. Some people have sensitive skin that's going to be irritating to their skin. On top of that, people break out. Like, you never know. So using so much glue is not needed. You can use 1 to 2 layers of glue right there. Another thing to keep the wigs down is the back. The back has adjustables. If you adjust your back of your wig properly, it's gonna form fit your head. I think some people are just scared. Oh, my wig is gonna fall off. No, it's a wig. Like, if it's a cap, it's meant to be form fitting to your head. The front part is just so it melts down the lace in, that it looks natural. It's not necessarily that you need 10,000 layers to keep the wig down. The wig should be able to fit your head with nothing on it and still look good. The purpose of the glue is supposed to make it melt in so that it's stuck to your skin. But you don't need 10,000 layers for it to have it stuck to your skin, okay, y'all? You don't. So I only used 1 or 2 layers, and that's how it looks. This wig can last about a whole week on me. The most I would have to do, oh, mind you, let me say this. When I use like less glue, I do sit under the dryer for a longer time. So like right now, I did sit on the dryer, not right this moment, but I am color correcting, making sure that it matches my skin tone, all of that, fixing over my makeup, blase blase. But after this scene, I will go under the dryer for like at least 20 to 30 minutes on like a medium heat, so that it really melts into my skin and everything looks flawlessly. So now I'm just spraying some oil sheen onto my hair. I added some makeup to color correct even more. Now this is the secret. Once you add the makeup, once you add the less glue, you use some holding spray. I like to use the Tresemme holding spray. The Tresemme holding spray with the makeup, with the glue, all of those things melt down together. You go sit under the dryer, or you just, walk around for at least 30 minutes. Will have your hair laid to the gods that you'll be really, really shocked. It's going to be laid. But I was struggling right here. Like, I could not get my band on properly. Your girl was struggling, okay? But this look is fabulous. And look at that. I just said, wow, like, what is this? Why is this happening to me? Why am I struggling this bad? But you can always get your Gifty lace band at gifty.org. Don't forget your lace band. The lace band is so beneficial. It just helps everything look natural. It ensures that your hair is going to be melted into the skin, and it's only like $13. Yeah, it's really, girl, you need one for yourself. Okay. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just brushing my hands through, making sure everything looks great and it's giving body yada yada, and I'm filling my hair. Yeah. So now I'm just making sure that everything looks good before I, go under the dryer. I'm going to add a little bit more curls right in the front. Kind of made a dumb decision using a straining iron to add curls. I thought I could do it like how I do it in my clients' hair. I don't know if anybody have this problem. Like, when you do other people's hair compared to your hair, the methods or the style, like the technique you will use, you can't really use it on your own hair. So this was not giving, like, y'all, this looks ugly. So I actually went in and I fixed that curl because I was not liking it. But right now I'm about to hop into the dryer, and boom, I come back. This is how it looks. It's me, your girl, Gifty. It's giving. So that's the hair right there. I am just really in love with it. Brown girls, dark skin girls, black girls, caramel girls, if you're looking for the perfect blonde color, this is the color for you. I don't even know what color this is. Like, I literally had a black wig. It was the natural 1B wig, and then I bleached it really high. Then I bleached it. Then after I bleached it, I washed it out, let it dry, then I bleached it again and added some more lights to it. After I did that, then I toned it. Y'all, I'm on the phone chopping it up. I'm super sorry. I didn't have another clip of me just, being normal, not on the phone, because I was looking too cute, so I had to call all the chamos around town to make sure they seen how bomb I was looking. Plus Instagram, Snapchat, yeah, I was looking really bomb. Either way, but this is the look. This is the look. I'm basically done. That's how I do my wigs. Yeah, I was so nervous making this video. I'm used to making like, my clients' videos, but please let me know what you guys think about it. Would you rock this like blonde color? This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see more like self installments like these, definitely comment down below. But I will see y'all on my next video, which is most likely tomorrow. Bye.